If you wanted how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income, whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So all you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into payhub.com. This is the homepage if you want to sign up. So here we have features about, so we have digital dollars, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical products. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have also teams, customers, pricing, blog, marketplace. We have here also login if you want to find your account. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is get started for free. So let's click over pricing to know more about price. Simple pricing, get started now. No credit, as you can see. We have here sign up for free. We have here free forever, as you can see. All features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue, as you can see. We have also frequently asked questions. If you want to understand more, all you have to do is read the answer about the question of payments. So, like, do I need to pay PayPal Stripe fees? This is the answer: yes. PayPal and Stripe will still charge at their standard rates once they complete a transactions. This applies for all plans. So as you can see, we have other questions. You can read it to more understand. So let's come back. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is write your email here, as you can see. So here we have the first name, last name, email, choose password also, and create an account. So, and if you want to log in, all you have to do is click over login here and write your email and your password, then you find your account. So this is the homepage. As you can see here, we have welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Stick a few more things off your to-do list and keep up the momentum. So we have here 4 steps. It's very important to get started. First, we have sign up, already done, and we have the second one, add your first product, then set up checkout, and finally customize store design, as you can see. Then we have here other information about dashboard, products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, notification, and account. About products, let's click over products. How you add your products, add your first product, as you can see. So it's one of the first step. Then we have store. We have here launch your store builder. We have here also blog posts. You can add new blog posts. Domains also, you can connect existence domain, and we have here analytics also. We have here analytics for all products during timing this month, and we have here daily views, daily sales, as you can see. Then we have here marketing also. By marketing, we have run, sell, affiliates, mailing lists, cross-selling, and upgrade, and more. Finally, we have customers here, as you can see. Customers, we have subscribers. As you can see, we have customers, zero orders, subscribers. Also, you can write your email address. Then we have here email updates, new email updates, so reports, followers, zero followers, and then we have here notification, and finally we have account, about settings, store builder, referral library, export marketplace, and legal. If you come back in the dashboard, here are 3 steps. So for if we want to do the first step, add your first product. So all you have to do is click over store here. Click over launch your store builder. click over add first product, then select the product type. We have a digital products, course, membership, physical products, coaching service, bundle. So we select digital products for sure. Then here we have add new digital product to start sell, upload your products. Then we have here upload product, write title, right here choose the price, for example $15. Here upload a product. All you have to do is use canva.com. I already have an account here, so let's click over custom size and click over 9020. Then we find the page of image and pictures that attract people. So all you have to do is research of name of your product. For example, you choose any product. I would choose any product just to give an example. So wait, let's choose this one for example. So all you have to do is, if you want to animate, position, copy style, lock background, add command, actions, quick, add page, also notes, duration, timer, page 1 of 1. You can just zoom. As you can see, we can come back here and the normal. Also we have a grid view, present full screen, and you can modify it as you want. Then all you have to do is share it and come back to the ad and apply a product image. Then we have here a description for your product. All you have to do to have a great description that attracts people, all you have to do is go to ChatGPT and write brief description of your products. If you want, especially you write the name of your product. Then here we have visibility, should your store visitors be able to see this product. We choose this first one because everyone can see this product to select to the people. Then you click over add product and the first step is already done. So let's come back. So here we have also set up checkout. As you can see, click over set up checkout. About this, the third one, we have here two options. We have PayPal account. Please log in security with PayPal below to start accepting. So here we have account settings. Edit your account details here, such as payment details, name, dollar limits, etc. We have first link PayPal account. The second option is Stripe account. To get started with Stripe payments, click the button below, accept payments with Stripe. So we have only those twice options. Then we have here default currency. You can choose the one you want, as you can see. Then we have here under statement description, copy on your customers bank statement, they should recognize it's you. Then we have the last things is click over save settings. So let's come back. The last one is customize store design. So you have to choose your design, right, and just make your own design. So this is it for how to get started. So you have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creation effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable business. With the tools and strategies we have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait, start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire waits. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.